Hello, I made the decision to present as my final project the data of my small minoxidil distribution business that I started in February this year. Here I have the data of the purchase, the months in each they were made, the cost per unit, the totals, the sales data, and the profiles of obtains. I want to show the amount sold of each month, the profile and the investment that had to be made in the month to obtain those profiles. And I want to show it by brand of minoxidil. So to do this, I use various Excel functions, data validations, and some if to add more than one criteria in pivot tables, in pivot charts, to graphically and easily present the general quality result, the profiles of teams, and the investment made each month and for each brand. So I hope you like my project.